to know my later time. Oh, there is time machine. I will go to my future. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I go to my 70 years old time. Now is 2081. I can see many developed systems. What do I do now? When I am younger, I earned a lot of money at my job. And last year, I saw the poster that finding people that go to Mars. So I gave $3 million to go to Mars. A day that is a day to go to Mars. I was so nervous but also excited. I go to Mars by rocket. In the rocket, I saw Mars's incredible grounds and oceans. Also, I saw the Earth and the Moon. Now, I live in Mars happily with my wife. First, there is system like Earth, so I exercise every day. Second, there is many people like Earth, because a lot of people in Earth migrated to the Mars. Furthermore, the Mars and the Earth integrate internet, so I did YouTube. I am famous YouTuber in Mars. Mars is so great planet. Oh, it's time to go home. Bye, Mars. I can't knew my future time. I am so proud of my future life. It's good time to know me. I want to grow up fastly. And thank you to the time machine. Thank you for listening my story.